In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset the viewport navigation to its default values in Cinema 4D. If you've ever tumbled your view way off into space, zoomed too far, or simply lost your sense of direction while working, this quick reset is a lifesaver. It brings your viewport back to the familiar, default orientation you see when you first open Cinema 4D or start a new scene. The best part is that it doesn't change your project, objects, or render settings. It only refreshes how you're looking at your scene. Here's how to do it. First, look to the top of the screen and find the View menu. It's part of the standard interface and controls how you navigate and frame what you see. Click View to open the menu. Inside, select the option labeled Frame Default. The moment you choose it, your viewport instantly snaps back to its original default state. Think of this as a visual reset. It clears any awkward orbiting, extreme zooming, or offset panning, and puts you back on a neutral footing so you can keep working with a clear view. This action affects the active viewport you're currently using. If you're in a single perspective view, that's the one that will reset. If you're using multiple views, the reset applies to whichever pane is active. It's a gentle, non-destructive command, so you can use it as often as you like without worrying about losing work or altering geometry, materials, or lighting. A quick note on what this is and isn't. Frame default is not the same as framing selected objects or the entire scene. It doesn't try to find content and zoom to it. Instead, it restores the navigation state to a clean starting point. That makes it especially useful when your camera movement has become disoriented or sluggish, or when you just want a fresh perspective before making the next decision. Use this whenever your view feels out of control, after heavy navigation while modeling or animating, or before presenting to a client or teammate to ensure a clean, predictable starting angle. It's also a great way to reset your mental context during longer sessions, helping you avoid mistakes caused by a confusing viewpoint. So to recap, open the View menu at the top of the screen, choose Frame Default, and your viewport returns to its default navigation state. It's fast, safe, and immediately restores clarity to your scene.